Here we go again. It's like a clown car. They just keep coming and coming and coming. Alrighty. I think that's that.